Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. We are good.
Morning, sir. I'm good. I'm good.
I'm
How
glad to
about
hear. Yeah, I'm glad to hear that. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Finish. So, today we are going to learn about narrative text through reading activities. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand the story, identify its structure, and find the moral value. Are you ready, guys?
Ready,
yes,
Sir?
sir.
Yeah,
Ready.
great. Let's start. Next is slide 2. Slide 2, Nesa Putri, please. Okay. Now, look at this picture carefully. Do you know this story? Puji, do you know this story?
Yes, sir. I know.
So, what is the title of story?
The title of story is Malin Kundang.
And what lesson can we learn from this story?
In my opinion, I can learn from this opinion that we must berbakti to our parents and don't forget about the perjuangan orang tua.
Okay, great answer. Because every story teaches us something important to we are. So, today we will learn a story and discover its lesson together. So, next slide, please. Okay, first, let's understand narrative text. Can anyone read the definition? Putra, do you want to read the definition about narrative text?
I am, sir. I want to read the
Okay,
definition.
okay, Nisa Putri.
The definition in narrative text is a text that tells a story to entertain and give a moral lesson, sir.
Okay, thank you. It's so great, yeah. So, narrative text is the text that tells a story. It entertains reader and also teach a moral value. Jadi, teks naratif itu biasanya memiliki tiga bagian ya. Pertama itu ada orientasi, terus ada complication, and next ada resolution. Orientasi menjelaskan tentang introduction dan karakter, setting, and time. Sedangkan complication menjelaskan tentang present, the problem of conflict in the story, and resolution. Dan untuk resolution, explain about tells how the problem is solved. So, next slide, please. Uh, Now, let's read the story. The title is The Lion and the Mouse. So, please read silently for 1 minute. Okay, finish. So, who are the character in this story?
Lion and Mouse.
Yeah, good. So, what happened to the lion at the end of the story?
The mouse helped the lion.
Excellent. So, can a small animal help a big animal?
I think can Mister.
Yes. So interesting. Let's see what a lesson we can learn. Please next to move to slide 5. So, let's check your understanding. So, who are the characters in the main story? Anissa Putri, can you help me to answer?
The lion, sir.
Okay. So, for the question 2, why was the lion angry?
Karena lionnya terjebak, Sir.
Iya, benar, Laila. Excellent answer. So, I think you are understand to about this story. So, let's move to slide 6. So, now let's identify the structure. For orientation is it introduces to the character setting and time. And for complication, it present the problem or conflict in the story. And for the resolution, is it tells how the problem is solved. And the moral value from the story is be kind and helpful, good friends help each other. So next itu reflection time. So after that uh, now let's reflect what did you learn today. I will you give R to 1 minute and 2 minutes maybe for to explain your reflection after this read the story. Okay, finish. So, do you want to try? Give me a moral value after you learn and read the story about the lion and the mouse.
I want, Sir.
Ya, boleh lah ya.
The moral of the story is kindness can make a big difference.
Yeah, excellent. So, next slide, please. So, I think after you are learn about narrative text, I hope you are can understand and and may and still to remember of after I teach. Thank you for your participation today. You did a great job. See you in the next lesson. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Sir.
Ya udah tamat.